Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on Airbnb. So first is head over to airbnb.com and of course, make sure that you're logged in your account. Next, click on the three-line icon found at the top right corner of your screen, just beside your profile icon. So just click on it, then click on account settings. Now, from here on the personal information page, you can see the identity verification setting. And to start, just click on the start link. Proceed by clicking on continue. Now, of course, for you to be able to verify your identity, you're going to need to provide information about yourself, specifically those that are verified by your government. It could be the last four digits of your SSN or your government ID. Proceed by clicking on continue. Now, if you choose to add your government ID, you're going to need to take a photo of your ID. Just click on retake photo. You have an option to upload an existing photo of your ID or take a photo with webcam or take a photo with the Airbnb mobile app. Then proceed with your chosen option. Next is choose an ID type to add. Start by choosing your country or region where your valid ID is issued. Apparently, there are only three valid IDs that is accepted. So you can either choose driver's license, passport, or identity card, then proceed with your chosen option. Next is upload an image of your chosen ID, then head over and click on continue. So next, you will be asked to take a selfie just so they can compare your face and your photo on your ID to verify if it's really you. Now proceed by clicking on continue. Next, you will be asked how should they match your photos. You have an option to choose manual photo review where a team member will match your photos or automatic photo review. They will use facial recognition to match your photos faster. Then proceed by clicking on agree and continue. Once you've done all the steps, you will get this message that they will let you know as soon as you're verified. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!